YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here, and I got a little experiment that I'm going to try. Zone 7 here, first things first. Grew these indoors, peas. I think these are sugar snap, and took them outside and left them, and this is what the weather did to them. Oh well. So you start peas, either start them outside or start them inside and leave them inside until it gets warm, I guess. I don't know. But these were doing well until they weren't. So the good thing is I started a lot of peas indoors and outdoors. So we're going to discard this. We're going to chalk that up as a fail and don't do that again. I'm going to reuse this soil. I'm going to keep some of the roots in here because I heard that's pretty good for your plants. Now inside this is, I don't smell it, but it's coffee grounds, wood ash, I'm not sure what else I put in here. Okay, but I'm going to try a little experiment, something a little different. Sugar baby seeds, watermelon seeds from past watermelons, maybe 2 years old, 3 years, I don't remember. Should have put the date, but I didn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put multiple watermelon seeds in here, and I know the first thing you think is, that's going to be a tangle mess. Watermelon seeds usually take about, that's coffee. Yep, that's coffee. Usually take about 2-3 days to germinate in the right temperature, in the right environment. I have some inside that I started in cups on the 21st. It is, what, the 26th today, so what's that, 5 days? And they're roughly this big. So, alright, so what I'm going to do is a little different. I don't know if I'm going to take this indoors because I'm not a fan of fungus gnats. And since this has been outside, I'm quite sure there's a lot of lovely eggs in here. So, I'm just going to fluff up the soil. Like I said, the amendments are already in here. Soil is nice. It's moist. There it is right there. And it comes apart. We had rain all day yesterday for 24 hours of rain. So this is nice and moist. Alright, so what I'm going to do is this. Here's how I'm going to plant these. Toilet paper rolls. So some of you may know what I'm doing. If it doesn't work, I didn't buy the seeds. So this is pretty much a freebie. Toilet paper rolls, I was going to toss them anyway. Let's move that right here. I might release this video today. Well, no, I'm not going to release it today. What am I going to do with this video? if it works, I'm gonna release the video. Well, you know what? Even if it doesn't work, I'm gonna release the video in a few days. I'm gonna give it about maybe 3 days. Yeah, I'm the kind of gardener that whether it works or not, I still release the video, because some of the errors that I make could be a guideline for someone else, and maybe they can approve upon what I did, or just say, you know what, I'm not going in that direction because that dude right there, he don't know what he's doing. I don't know. So coffee grounds are in here already. I can smell them. Wood ash. Charcoal. Get me a sifter. Okay, so there we have it. Hopefully these seeds are still viable. 1, 2, 3, 13. Okay, 13 watermelon plants. And the reason why I'm doing this is watermelon plants do not like their roots messed with once they start. I don't know if I did one here. So what the goal is to see if these will grow, and I should be able to slide a container out without tangling the roots.